Today, I'm going to cover how to use WordPress manual backups. There are two types of backups. One is manual backup, the second one is automatic backup. First, let us see the manual backup. Take manual backups. User can initiate manual backups of their website, providing an additional layer of data protection and flexibility. Backup frequency. You can create up to 5 manual backups every 14 days, tailored to your specific needs. This option empowers you to maintain data consistency and safeguard critical information. Backup duration. Each manual backup will be stored in the system for a generous 14 days period. This time frame gives you the freedom to revert to previous version of your website's data if necessary. Here is how you can access manual backup. Go to your sub account in Go High Level. Then go to Sites, WordPress, Backup Restore. Then you can see this screen. Click on Backup Now option and give a name to your backup easy identification. Just click this button. Then it will show the pop-up. Create manual backup. Just give the easy identification name and then select backup files or backup database or both. Then click Create Backup button. The backup gets saved in the desk. The backup gets saved in the dashboard. This is the screen you will see while backup is in progress. Click on the restore option to restore your WordPress site content to the previous version. You can restore the data by clicking the restore version. When you click the restore version link, a pop-up will be shown. There you can select all files, database, or both you can select, and then click restore now button to restore your data. With manual backups, you are in control of your website data, reducing the risk of data loss and ensuring its safety and accessibility. Automatic backup. It is created every day and these backups are stored 3 days. Automatic backup can also be restored. Just click restore version link. Then restore your website pop-up will be shown. There you can select all files, database, or both you can select. Then click restore now button to restore your data. I hope this video will be useful. Thank you.